Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to use the Chroma Key in a CapCut, and particularly for the PC. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can import the video or clip or even the photo from your device, or you can also try the library that contains a lot of clip from this CapCut. For example, I will choose this one and I will start to do the background removal after this clip being dragged or added into this layer. And after that, make sure that you have already choose this video setting, and also go to this remove background, and you can activate this chroma key. And after that, you can start to choose the area that you would like to remove. For example, I will remove the green screen background like this and click it. And after that, you can also adjust the intensity of it. And for example, if you feel the issue to use this chroma key, let's say the chroma key is not work, don't worry, you can try to do this trick. So you can try to click this menu and setting, and after that you can go to this performance, and you can try to inactivate this encode and decode and click save. And after that, you can start to do the restart of your CapCut, and you can try to do the project again, and you can use this chroma key again. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.